Hi guys, my name is Amarjith. I done my graduation from Government Engineering College Wayanad, and I'm an Electronics and Communication Engineering graduate. Talking about KOCHI, the day I'm joining here, I learned many things, especially from the faculty side. They were very brilliant because they are very cooperative too. We can ask anything, so I cleared my doubts, especially in Java and SQL and HTML, CSS, everything. Taught us very well. The atmosphere is very good, and overall it's the best place to join. And recently I got placed at a company. In this company, the role I got the opportunity as a .NET developer, as a software engineer trainee. So I'm very happy for that.